And about 100 kids have gathered to celebrate their 5th birthday in Shifang city in China's southwest Sichuan Province. And the children were born over the 3 months following the Wenchuan earthquake in a 1,000-year-old temple. The powerful earthquake destroyed the Shifang Maternal and Child Health Care Hospital. A Luohan temple located opposite the hospital provided shelter for the pregnant women and new mothers. And before the hospital moved out from the temple in August 2008, altogether 108 babies were delivered there, and they were called the Luohan babies. A Luohan temple and the locals offered helping hands to those children continuously over the past 5 years. At the celebration, the children shared their birthday wishes with each other.
当警察。
当警察呀？为什么要当警察呀？
找一个人。我想我的女儿，我要当超人。当兵保卫祖国。
保卫祖国呀？为什么要当兵保卫祖国呀？为什么要这样想啊？
地震的时候，当兵的人都来救人。
当兵的来。